At the Vienna Interdisciplinary Symposium on Aortic Repair, VISAR, Riedel Communications Managed Technology Division delivered a turnkey technical infrastructure enabling the live transmission and interactive presentation of highly complex surgical procedures. The internationally renowned medical congress took place at the Haus der Industrie in Vienna, connecting live operations from multiple operating rooms at Vienna General Hospital with an interdisciplinary audience of medical professionals from around the world. The integrated Riedel ecosystem, which consisted mainly of Artist and Bolero intercom systems, MediaNet video infrastructure, and the Simply Live production suite, transmitted surgical procedures from 3 parallel operating rooms to the Congress Hall in real time. Meanwhile, the setup enabled direct, bidirectional communication between the operating medical teams, moderators, and attendees.
Atomos has announced Shogun AV19, a rack-mountable, 19-inch 4K HDR monitor recorder switcher designed for professional live production, broadcast, and video village environments. Combining multi-camera switching, ISO recording, and advanced monitoring in a rugged, rack-ready 7RU form factor, Shogun AV19 delivers a complete, monitor record switch package for studio and outside broadcast workflows. Shogun AV19 is capable of simultaneous recording of up to 4 isolated SDI camera feeds, plus a 5th program output. The large, color-accurate 4K HDR DCI P3 display provides crisp, real-time monitoring for directors, technical directors, camera operators, and production teams managing complex multi-camera setups.
DoPchoice continues to refine light shaping tools for professional LED fixtures with the new SnapRabbit Octa 5 snapback. The compact innovation provides a method of creating nuanced illumination output while saving valuable setup time. Its efficient engineering introduces a sleeker Octa fan-style softbox, along with the first convertible SnapRabbit mounting solution. At the heart of this design is its new concept Octa 5 snapback. A super shallow profile makes it easier to handle and store than a standard softbox. Inside, it features white reflective fabric which promotes smooth and even lighting. To go even softer, users can simply add the included baffle, internal diffuser, to further refine output. Built for travel, the 5-foot diameter system packs flat. With just a single click, it effortlessly fans open. SnapRabbit Octa 5 Snapbag is the first product to feature DoPchoice's new convertible mount, which lets users swap from an NL or Bowens mount to an Aperture A mount, with a host of other compatible fixtures to be announced soon.
Following its entry into the L-mount alliance, Viltrox has announced the release of the AF 16mm f1.8L, the company's first autofocus lens for L-mount systems. The lens features ultra-wide 105.6 degrees field of view, a large aperture up to f1.8, and Viltrox's STM stepping motor delivering fast, accurate, and stable autofocus. The lens also supports eye and face detection on compatible cameras. Designed with modern optical engineering, professional control features, and full system-level compatibility, the AF 16mm f1.8L expands the range of practical, high-performance lens options within the L-mount ecosystem.
DJI has introduced the RS5, the company's latest 3-axis gimbal offering a 3 kg payload with improved battery charging and runtime. It features a new module for intelligent tracking and composition with touchscreen subject selection, a new electronic briefcase handle with camera and gimbal control, and fine-tuning knobs for enhanced balancing. The RS5 also sees the introduction of a new Z-axis indicator, providing operators instant feedback to fine-tune footsteps. DJI RS5 features touchscreen subject selection with the new tracking module, smooth balancing from fine-tuning knobs, and direct control via the new briefcase handle, all backed by faster charging and extended battery life. Peak motor torque is up by 50% over the previous model, offering stability in fast-moving scenes. The 5th-generation RS stabilization algorithm further enhances stabilization for walking, running, and vertical shooting, striking an ideal balance between stability and control.
Recently, Manfrotto unveiled the One hybrid tripod built for creators who need to capture both breathtaking photos and cinematic video, without lugging 2 separate tripods. By merging the best elements of photo and video supports into one streamlined system, One lets users move seamlessly from stills to motion, empowering them to stay focused on creativity. Manfrotto One is built around 4 performance pillars. The exchange system enables head swapping in seconds. Fast leg technology allows all legs to be deployed simultaneously. The Q90 and modular column provide smooth and precise tilt and rotation, along with the ability to shoot from ground level. The leveling and sliding column helps achieve perfect framing. Paired with the 500x fluid head, Manfrotto 1 delivers intuitive control and cinematic motion capabilities.
Dear friends and colleagues, if you'd like your news to be featured in briefly, please reach out to us in the comments. Let's create news together.